Memorize his face. This is my brother. We were planning a special birthday party for March 18th, but on March the 7th, 2009, his heart suddenly stopped beating and his life came to an end. A very special part of our family died that night with him, and we will always miss his presence. Without health insurance, he couldn't get necessary cardiac care to keep him alive. This is the face of the uninsured Americans, who we love and miss dearly. Without meaningful reform, there will be many more. We just don't know their names yet.
Well, my name's Katie, and I'm going to read a card from Laura from North Wales, PA. And this is for Congresswoman Schwartz. Congresswoman Schwartz, we desperately need real health care reform, and we need it sooner rather than later. Our family cannot afford to pay the costs of health insurance, and the companies have so many loopholes that even if you have it, you're often not covered. Please give the American people the gift of true health care reform now. Don't let this movement pass.
This is from Laura. I don't have her exact town here. She didn't leave it, but she says her holiday wish is, I support health care reform because our family of 3 currently has a $10,000 deductible, $5,000 per individual, and premiums of $400 monthly. In addition, the insurance company, Blue Cross Blue Shield, will pay for no tests. Our 15-year-old son recently had a 7-day hospitalization for a collapsed lung, while I had skin cancer requiring 4 biopsies, each costing $895 out of pocket. Our employer told us that since we are a mid-sized company and so many employees have had large claims paid for cancer, we now have no other options with Blue Cross Blue Shield. This situation can happen to other working insured citizens. Do not think health care reform is only for the unemployed.
My name is Pam, and I'm reading a letter from Carol from Philadelphia. Among my friends is a man whose face was disfigured by a bicycle chain when he tried to help a person who was being attacked. He was told in the emergency room after he was sewn back together that he needn't return for surgery unless he was carrying a check for $20,000. His employer did not provide health insurance, and he was fired because he was grotesque looking and would upset the patrons who ate where he was employed. Another friend suffered an epileptic seizure because he could no longer afford the medication that he needed. Although I could continue at length in naming persons whom I loved who are no longer with us, it is inconceivable that a country formed in love and compassion is so low to care for its citizens. Thank you, Georgeanne, for what you've been doing.
This is a card for Congressman Carney. The donut hole is like getting coal for Christmas. Taking care of this problem will make your and my Christmas wonderful. And it's from Donna in Williamsport.
This is a card from Dave in Altoona. It's for Senator Casey. This is a holiday wish. It says, please hurry, 59 with MS, forced to retire, no health care. Happy holidays.
But I have one more letter to read. It's very short, it's very articulate, and it says, please give everyone a doctor if they get sick. It's from a 5-year-old little boy named Timothy. Timothy gets it. I hope Congress does.
Thank you. And now we're going to go deliver the cards.